grab me a cold one to drink since I just sat down. A wild child. Be safe, be sound. T7 pulling back.
That's what it is. SnuffySmith, I just had a robocall.
Oh, doggone those people?
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Oh well, that's one of them things, I guess.
Northwest corner, Washington State. Yes, indeed. A sunny day.
Too long, and they just keep calling in here, and I don't know who they are.
Station Alabama, station.
We got SnuffySmith up here in the northwest corner saying hi to Spark and Matty Glenn.
Corner today, Rocket 768. Getting down in the Evergreen State.
Good.
Alright, I'll be standing by letting old SnuffySmith holler at you. I'll be listening here though.
You guys say something at 577 around Mississippi, number 2 on the Big Island, aloha.
Yeah, not bad at all. How you doing?
Battleground, Washington. They call me Red Rooster.
Is that 304? 304, is that Roger? Yeah, 304. Yeah, good copy on you there, but boy, a train wreck's starting there now.
Welcome to the weekend out there. A gold rope on number 2 is a shock away. Bye-bye-bye.
Yeah, I'm in standby. Old Mudslinger in the corner, listening. Is that the Renegade coming back?
And that arrives at 1818. And you guys have a blessed weekend also, my friend. Mr. Goat Rope on number 2 on the grass. Aloha. Hello, Triple Nickel in the hog yard. Aloha from the Big Island. About it, you got a copy on this 308.
Oh, it's a train wreck. It's a train wreck.
And that arrives at Nickel. Welcome to the weekend too, my friend. Blessings around your household. Triple Nickel, number 2 in the grass. Good day, good day.
747.
What are you doing, radio man? Shoot, man, I never kissed a 28 out there, so... Big old wave. Hand out here. I want to wave the weekend hand, number 2 on the Big Island go. We're waving right back from the Sierra Mountain, California. 363, waving.
SnuffySmith is coming out of the woodwork now.
Yeah, 10-4. It sounds like the whole United States is on their radio. Hey, roger that, 203. Sounding good out here. Where's that radio man out here in the world of sound? Sacramento. Take care, Bob.
Hey, Sidewinder, we're sitting back here drinking A&W root beer. What you doing?
I just got home from work, man. I was up on sideband listening, and I went 17, and then I landed here, man. Waving a hand, sounding good, real good copy. 7.
Out there, 61 Sidewinder. Hey, take care out there. Glad you're still hanging around. 445 back east there. We still got another year, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. We got another year, no doubt about it. We got about 10 more years to skip. Hey, radio man, we got 10 more years of shooting the shit out here in the world of sound.
Yeah, hopefully we got more, but I just take it year to year. Hey, at my age, I take it year to year there. 10-4.
Yeah, well, you know, that's true with anybody, man. That's true with anybody. You just never know, brother. You just never know. Hey, Friday, happy Friday. It's the best day of the week. Happy Friday, brother.
Yeah, it used to be when I was working, looking forward to Friday, looking forward to the weekend. But I'm retired now, and every day is Friday, Jimbo.
Yeah, 10-4. Hopefully I'll get there one of these days. When I get there, man, there probably won't be nothing left, man. I don't have too long, like maybe 7 more years.
Yeah, 10-4. Well, I hope you make it. I hope there's some money left. But I know what you're talking about. Hey, maybe the government won't spend it all, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. 10-4 on that, man. Hey, you're sounding good out here, radio man. Loud and proud. In the red, man. In the red out here in California, Northern California. Well, radio 6-1. Back quiet.
All right, there's 6-1 Sidewinder. Well, you're in my 30 dB club. You're in my 30 dB club, and check out the video gate later. Hey, 6-1 Sidewinder. My longtime ZB friend. Have a good day. Bye, bye, bye. I'm on the side.
Yeah, right on. Like you, me too, brother. Appreciate the get back. Appreciate the hospitality. 445 radio, man. Keep on doing what you're doing, brother. Sounding good in California.
With that 4-1 wave.
Man, that triple tree was real loud, man.
445, number 2, Mobile guard.
Hey, number 2 Mobile, where you going? There ain't nowhere to go in the Big Island. Hey, number 2 Mobile, there's nowhere to go out there, Jimbo.
Triple nickel. Keep on with the keeping on. Because that's what nickels do.
Waving number 5 in Texas. I heard you out there. Number 5 in Texas. 6-1's waving. Hey, waving 39, 39 in the bayou. Hey man, top of the Friday to you.
Hey, Jelly Belly, I heard you out there. It's rough. Hey, Jelly Belly, number 2, 445, waving right back.
Band out here in the world of sound. No.
I can't stay long because I ain't that strong.
562 NorCal just got down.
All right, there, Jelly Belly said you ain't that strong. I heard 415 in there. Hey, 415, no.
Tell 415 to go fly a kite.
Yeah, waving right back, Tennessee, 557 Tennessee. Sounding good in California. 6-1's waving with the top of the...
Hey, Jelly Belly, I could fly a kite back here. It's pretty windy today. Hey, Jelly Belly, I think 445 gonna go fly a kite. Jimbo.
Hey, 445, 513, low budget.
513, low budget.
I'll catch you when I can. 61. Good day, welcome to the weekend. 513 on my low budget radio. 62.
All right there, Jelly Belly. Hey, have a good one out there. Sounding good, by the way. And 513 low budget, heard you. 445, I'm going to go fly a kite.
Bring it back.
Clear my friend.
Fly a kite. Go in. It's rough. No need to fly a kite. Now you're blowing smoke out here in the Wyoming desert. Oh boy, appreciate it.
All right there, 513. Say some flowers for yourself, big brother. Because you're doing a natural born thing out there around the Mojave on that low budget radio, 445. I'll see ya.
No.
Hey, 445, you gotta cut it back a little bit. Hey, Mr. 445, you gotta cut it back, man. You're disturbing all the movie stars out here in Hollywood, California, Mr. 445. Good afternoon to you.
Right on.
Well, I definitely don't want to disturb the movie stars out there around Los Angeles. Hey, I appreciate that. You got a laugh out of me. He said 445 disturbing the movie stars out there. Yeah, I don't mean to do that. I might want to watch some good TV, some films there, Tiffo.
Alright, 557, have a good one. Appreciate the shout. I'm gonna get back quiet. I'm gonna get back on the side. That radio, man, is plugging my ears, man, so I'm gonna take me a stood by and read this mail for a minute. Just for a minute.
Hello once again. This is the 4077.
I'm gonna be quiet for about 30. I'll be back.
Check on down.
How about it, Skip Land? You got a copy on this 308 Battleground?
Oh, that's right, 203 Tennessee. Yeah, that's right, 203 Tennessee. Appreciate you hanging in there and getting right back to me. I appreciate it. 203 Tennessee, top of the Friday to you, and have yourself a good weekend. I'll be out here listening, reading this mail.
North Cal, just got